Right, and welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna speak about the my Euro GBP trade. If you want, you could go back to the last post I made, and you could see what I was saying about my Euro GBP trade. So here we could look. If you notice in the weekly, we failed to take this high here. Now I'm anticipating that we come straight back down into this demand zone. So yeah, I'm gonna talk through how what I think. So if we go down to the daily, um, here's where I initially got in when we take out this low after we took out this low. After we took this out, I was looking for price to come back into this supply area and drop. Price, however, came back, dropped, but it didn't hit my first zone I would have liked it to hit. So I'm still in this trade. What happened then? I said if price came back to this demand zone again, I'm gonna enter. So price came all the way back up here again, putting me in a bit of heat. You could have said I nearly got stopped out, but still holding. So I have a second entry at this trade, and I was thinking about holding to here what would have been a full percent, but I think this trade could be bigger than what I think also. I'm looking for the trade to come all the way down to this weekly demand. I'll monitor it, see what happens, see if I think it could follow through and keep going there, because the market on Friday, the market had a fall off because of Trump and this tariff stuff and all that. So I'm still gonna stick with my analysis, and I think the trade could come all the way down here. Let me go across to my NZD. So as you can see, if you go back on my previous uh, video, you could have seen I marked out that I would have liked to see price came back up into that wrong supply zone. So price came down, came all the way up, but price just tapped on this little wick here and continue falling. So I missed out on a really good trade. Unfortunately, it does happen. I'm not gonna beat myself up about it, but I see price coming all the way down here. That's just my thought. I would have want to stopped out here if I was considering the wicks, and if price comes in here and probably give a nice leg out and pull back, then I'll take the long going back up to the top again. But we see what happened. I'm not gonna jump ahead of anything. In my last video, I didn't mention the AU. So this is an AU trade that I got in, but came out early. For some reason, I panicked out of this trade, so I didn't stay in this trade. I don't know why. Actually, where you could see the line draw here. So it came up in here and dropped back, and I came out here. Where I initially wanted to come out is here, but I just panic out of my trade, and it happens. With time, I guess my confidence will build, and this is just me documenting my journey on my trade. So this is my AU trade. Maybe I do see price coming back up here. So what I'm gonna look for before price get into here, maybe market opens and we probably gap up and price come back into this area and then continue dropping for my NZD. Um, Also, price may just come back here into this demand. Let me mark it out. Sorry, supply. Right. Also, if you notice, I've got like little red boxes. My red boxes are my demand supply zone, and my green ones are my demand. So that's what I'm looking to buy. These ones are what I'm looking to sell. If you see a yellow one, it means that there are gaps there, so I'm considering the gaps. So yeah, yeah, that's my trade recap. My next video will be I'll be dropping. I'll probably drop it on Sunday afternoon, where it's gonna be about the markets. I'm gonna talk about. Got about two stocks in there that I want to talk about as well. So hopefully this video helps someone in some way. But let me go back to Euro GBP. Euro GBP. It's playing out nice. I'm current. Also, I forgot to mention. I'm currently at break even. Hopefully, when the market opens, spreads don't take me out. That would hurt me bad. But it's all part of trading. It happens. So just gotta suck up and keep going. Hopefully this helps with your week. Hopefully someone got in on this trade after watching the video and wait out for my Sunday video. So I'll tell you the markets I'm looking at and let's bring on the trading week. And thank you. Look forward to seeing you again. Uh, if you have any comments, like, share, give your feedback, what you think. I'm open to discussion. Just leave a comment. Thank you.